Welcome to VueX, y'all. Today we're diving deep into Georgia to uncover hidden gems. Get ready to be amazed by places you probably never knew existed. Our first stop is Uplistsikhe, an ancient rock-hewn town carved into a cliff. This remarkable site dates back to the early Iron Age and has been a significant cultural and political center throughout history. Imagine living in a house made of solid rock. These dwellings were meticulously carved by hand, showcasing the ingenuity and craftsmanship of ancient civilizations. It's like the Flintstones met the Jetsons. The blend of ancient architecture with modern imagination creates a fascinating contrast. Uplistsikhe is about a 2-hour drive from Tbilisi, Georgia's capital city. The scenic route offers breathtaking views of the Georgian countryside, making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Entry tickets are about 15 Georgian lari, roughly $5. This affordable price makes it accessible for everyone to explore this historical gem. The best time to visit is in the spring or fall when the weather is mild. During these seasons, the landscape is vibrant and the temperatures are perfect for exploring. Exploring these ancient caves, tunnels, and temples will be a day you won't soon forget. Each corner of Uplistsikhe tells a story, from the intricate carvings to the expansive halls, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once inhabited this extraordinary place. Next up, Vardzia, a monastery carved into the Erusheti mountain. This place is unbelievable. Imagine a network of secret tunnels and hidden chambers within a mountain. Vardzia is about a 4-hour drive from Tbilisi, but it's worth every minute. Tickets are around 15 lari. The best time to explore is during the spring or fall. Get ready to discover the secrets of Vardzia. You might even stumble upon a hidden treasure or a really cool rock. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're headed to Kazbegi National Park, a place so beautiful it'll take your breath away. We're talking towering peaks, sparkling glaciers, and meadows blanketed with wildflowers. It's about a 3-hour drive from Tbilisi, and the journey will take you through stunning landscapes. The best time to visit is during the summer months when the weather is mild and the hiking trails are open. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every picturesque moment. Get ready to be transported to Svaneti, a remote region in northwestern Georgia known for its towering peaks that seem to touch the sky. This hidden gem is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Picture ancient stone towers that have stood the test of time, guarding the secrets of centuries past. These medieval villages are like stepping into a history book, where every stone has a story to tell. Imagine crystal-clear rivers winding through lush valleys and welcoming locals dressed in traditional Georgian attire, eager to share their rich culture and traditions with you. You can fly from Tbilisi to Mestia or take a scenic drive through the breathtaking landscapes. The journey itself is an adventure, offering panoramic views that will leave you in awe. The best time to visit is during the summer months when the weather is mild and the hiking trails are accessible. The mountains come alive with vibrant greenery, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and exploring. From the warm hospitality of the locals to the delicious traditional cuisine, this is an experience you won't soon forget. Savor the flavors of local dishes, made with love and passed down through generations. Every meal is a celebration of Georgian culture and hospitality. Prepare to be amazed as we journey to the David Gareja Monastery Complex, carved into the slopes of the Gareja Desert. This place is steeped in history and spirituality, with breathtaking views. The complex is near the border of Azerbaijan, about a 2-hour drive from Tbilisi. The best time to visit is during the spring or fall when the weather is mild. Pack plenty of water, some snacks, and your camera. You'll want to capture every moment of this incredible journey. Get ready to splash into adventure at Martvili Canyon, a stunning natural wonder in the Samogrelo-Zemo Svaneti region. This hidden gem is a paradise for nature lovers and thrill seekers alike, offering a unique blend of serene beauty and exhilarating activities. Picture emerald green waters flowing through a narrow canyon, surrounded by lush vegetation and cascading waterfalls. The vibrant colors and the soothing sounds of nature create a magical atmosphere that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Martvili Canyon is about a 4-hour drive from Tbilisi. The journey itself is an adventure as you pass through picturesque Georgian countryside with rolling hills and charming villages dotting the landscape. You can explore the canyon by boat or take a dip in the refreshing waters. Boating offers a unique perspective, allowing you to glide through the canyon and get up close to its stunning rock formations and hidden nooks. The best time to visit is during the summer months when the weather is warm and sunny. The clear skies and bright sunshine make the emerald waters sparkle, enhancing the beauty of the canyon. Don't forget to pack your swimsuit, a towel, and a waterproof bag to protect your valuables. Whether you're planning to swim, boat, or simply relax by the water, being prepared ensures you can fully enjoy your day at this natural water park. Our final stop is Borjomi, a charming spa town nestled in the heart of Georgia. Borjomi is famous for its mineral water springs, which are said to have healing properties. You can find Borjomi about a 2.5-hour drive from Tbilisi. The best time to visit is during the spring or fall when the weather is mild. Take a hike in the nearby Kazbegi National Park, explore the town's historic landmarks, or simply relax and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Well, there you have it, folks. 7 incredible hidden gems in the beautiful country of Georgia. From ancient cave cities to stunning national parks, Georgia has something for everyone. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to VueX for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.